very, very happy. I can see. So the first thing I can say, the meaning of Motema. Motema means the heart. So to be in good health, you must have a happy heart. So now we play music means Motema.
A couple of years ago on the main stage where most of the people here in this night they recognize us, and the place of that we play in all different parts of Ireland as well. Yeah, so tonight we are here in Dingle. We thank God for just putting us together, because if you say that we plan to meet each other, it could be difficult. But we thank God, just we came individually, just somehow we met, and with the talent we have, we put it together to make a band.